Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Are you concerned about the safety of RBD oils? In this video, I'll share what are RBD oils. Are they safe or toxic? Some sample RBD and non-RBD oils, and how to eliminate all RBD oils from your diet. First, what are RBD oils? In recent years, some fad diets have popularized the term RBD oil and reasons to avoid them. They claim RBD oils like canola, corn, and soy are leading contributors to many diet-related health issues. Why? Unlike cold-pressed, unrefined oils like extra virgin and virgin olive oil, RBD oils are highly processed plant oils. RBD stands for refined, bleached, deodorized. Refining removes impurities, increasing an oil's smoke and flash points. It also reduces acidity and any bitter taste. Part of the refining process involves heating the oil to its boiling point. According to RBD oil critics, heating unsaturated oils to the boiling point oxidizes the oil, producing free radicals. What RBD oil critics don't disclose is that the oil is brought to a boil in a vacuum. Heating oil in a vacuum reduces its boiling point, and the oil can't oxidize since there is little or no oxygen in a vacuum. Why is oil boiled in a vacuum? Unlike water that turns to steam and water vapor when boiled, cooking oils will smoke and catch fire before they reach their boiling point. The smoke point of consumer oils ranges between 375 to 510 degrees Fahrenheit. Some of you are thinking, this oil is boiling without smoking. Deep fat frying draws water out of foods. The bubbling is caused by water hitting 375 degree oil. Another phase of RBD oil is bleaching, which removes pigments to produce lighter colored oils. Unbleached oil, like virgin olive oil, has a yellow-green color. White cakes are made using bleached cake or all-purpose flour. Without bleached flour and shortening, white cakes would have a yellow tint. Shortening is white due to bleached RBD oils. The D in RBD stands for deodorizing. Deodorizing produces a neutral-smelling oil. Virgin olive oil is usually used to flavor foods instead of general cooking, like drizzling virgin olive oil on a salad as a dressing. RBD oils add little or no flavor to foods. RBD oil shortening adds no color and doesn't mask the vanilla flavor of this cake. You can use non-RBD fats and oils if you like coconut, olive, or pork-flavored cakes and cookies. But are RBD oils safe or toxic? RBD oils are plant oils and high in mono and polyunsaturated fat. Most research studies show diets high in unsaturated fats reduce LDL cholesterol, increases HDL cholesterol, lowers total cholesterol, and reduces the risk of heart disease. Some low-carb fad diets claim those studies are flawed and that diets high in saturated fats are the key to good health. What they usually fail to disclose is that polyunsaturated fats include essential omega fatty acids. The best-known omega fatty acids are omega-3 and omega-6. Both are polyunsaturated fats that must come from your diet. There are differences between getting omega fatty acids from highly processed man-made oils versus minimally processed natural foods. RBD vegetable oils have more omega-6 and less omega-3 fatty acids. For example, vilified canola oil is 57% monounsaturated fat. About 28% is polyunsaturated fat, but it has twice as much omega-6 compared to omega-3. Foods like fatty fish have more omega-3 and less omega-6, and omega-3 appears to benefit heart health. But high saturated fat diet proponents claim mono and polyunsaturated fats are toxic because they are unstable. By stable, they mean saturated fat does not oxidize as quickly as unsaturated fats, or at least that's what they claim. Unopened bottles of RBD oils have a shelf life of several years without refrigeration. This brand has a best by date, not a use by or discard date. By comparison, lard at 40% saturated fat can be stored up to a year without refrigeration. About half the RBD oil shelf life. Butter also has about a 1-year shelf life, but must be refrigerated or frozen. Butter darkens as it oxidizes. Oxidized oils have a rancid odor and should be discarded immediately. Fad diets warn oxidized fats produce dangerous free radicals. Your body produces antioxidants to neutralize free radicals. Eating a diet high in antioxidant foods also helps neutralize free radicals. Ironically, one of the best free radical busting antioxidants are so-called evil polyunsaturated omega fatty acids. The safety of RBD oils depends on your overall diet and the amount of RBD oils in your diet. High saturated fat diets are not risk-free. They can increase LDL cholesterol, total blood cholesterol, blood triglycerides, and the risk of heart disease or stroke. If you're eating a high saturated fat diet, you can check for warning signs. Use a home blood pressure monitor to check for high blood pressure. Have your doctor, or if your state allows self-testing, a lab, to check your blood cholesterol and triglyceride levels. As long as everything is within the normal range, you can stick with your diet, regardless of what type of diet. The risk is waiting for symptoms before making changes to your diet. High blood pressure has no symptoms until you have a heart attack or stroke. The same for high blood cholesterol and triglycerides. You need to be aware of what your body is telling you, not unproven claims by a self-proclaimed diet expert. If you want to avoid or eliminate RBD oils, you can buy extra virgin and virgin olive oil, organic virgin coconut oil, unrefined avocado oil, and there are specialty unrefined or cold-pressed oils. Regardless of the type, expect to pay more, and in some cases considerably more, for non-RBD oils. RBD oils are inexpensive consumer and commercial cooking oils. They include canola, soybean, grapeseed, refined olive oil and pure olive oil, palm oil, pumice olive oil, coconut oil, safflower, sunflower, and soybean oils. This inexpensive, light-colored olive pumice oil is an RBD olive oil. Like the old saying goes, you get what you pay for. Eliminating RBD oils from your diet is not as easy as some would have you believe. Most RBD oils in the American diet comes from prepared foods. Read the ingredients list for any prepared food, and you'll find one or more RBD oils. Like I said, you get what you pay for. The easiest way to limit RBD oils in your diet is to limit prepared foods. That's not so easy if you do not like or want to prepare all your meals. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating.